Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebration.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm giving this wig a makeover. I got it maybe a year and a half ago and it's been holding up really well. So I wanted to switch up the look a little bit. I'm going to be cutting some long layers into this unit. I've been really liking that look lately, but I'm not the best at cutting layers. So I'm just trying to practice so that I can get better. But of course, I'm starting off just shampooing and conditioning the hair. I was really trying to see how well the hair was going to hold up for this style. And it actually did really good. So I did deep condition as well, just to be sure that the hair had enough moisture, and wig did really well. I will link below the original video if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. The links are in that video to where you can purchase this unit from. But after I washed, shampooed, and conditioned, I did go ahead and let the wig air dry before I started to cut the layers. Let the wig air dry, and now I'm ready to cut my layers. I've watched a good couple of videos on YouTube on how to cut layers, so this is my attempt. I did end up liking the end result, but I wish I would have cut them a little bit more dramatically, but I'll probably do that on another unit since I am still trying to really learn the skill anyways. But I'm just sectioning my hair from ear to ear, and then I want long layers, so this section of hair is going to be like the base and the actual length of the wig. So I decided not to cut too much off here, but for the actual cut, I just cut straight across, and then I point cut it upwards. So point cutting is supposed to help you really kind of make your layers blend well. None of your layers will be really sharp. Everything should just blend seamlessly if you point cut upwards. So that definitely saved me with this look. Now, to make everything even, once you cut your section, get the length that you are looking for, you're going to take a portion of that already cut section and put it into the section that you are going to cut next, and just even it out that way. So that's really how I did this entire wig. I'm going to now bring a piece from the already cut section and bring it over to the side that's not cut, and again even it out. So just working up my head, I did the same thing. I only kind of changed it up when I got to the crown of my head because I wanted those layers to be shorter, not so even with the length of my hair. I just brought sections down little by little, kind of seeing how many layers I really wanted in the hair, and I just evened it out. So I would take portions from the bottom and add it to the top to even out all the layers. And point cutting really saved the look. It made sure that everything was super blended. For this style, I really took my time and just kind of had fun with it. I knew what style I was going for, but like I said, I don't know how to cut layers, so I just did what I thought would look good, and I feel like it turned out looking pretty good. I am going to keep practicing like you should anything that you want to master, and I know it's just going to get better. So I'm just going to continue to cut the layers that I wanted, and then I am going to end the style with a kind of like blowing the hair out. I've really been liking the blowout look as well. That's something else that I'm trying to practice. I don't too much have the rolling motion down with the round brush, so I'm definitely trying to practice that. Let me know what you guys think below, and if you have any tips or tricks to try when cutting hair, please let me know as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
But you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. All on your faces, saying why, tears tonight. 'cause I'm honestly too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight I'm gonna do it a single man does. And that's why situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without me.